Media file formats. There is number of multimedia file formats available. Here we are going to see some of the file formats. Text formats. First one RTF, Rich Text Format, developed at 1987 by Microsoft. They introduced with their products. Also in cross platform. That means under the Apple, Linux and different softwares we can use this type of format. We can apply a formatting options on this type of text: font size, font color, font style. This is called a rich text format. The next one is a plain text format. We cannot able to apply a formatting options. This contains only characters, that's all. See here an example. Plain text contains only the characters, but rich text contains colors, fonts, underlines, etc. Image formats. Tagged image file format. Here an example: TIFF format files. This type of file format provides high quality outputs. That's why this format is suitable for DTP works. The latest version of TIFF is more compressed file. That's why this can be easily transferred from one computer to another computer. Large size of files easily transferred. Next one, BMP, bitmap image format. This format is made up of number of pixels arranged as rows and columns. This format released with the Windows 3.1 version. This file contains more size. This is uncompressed one, that's why more size. Here we have one more format also, device independent bitmap. All the devices supports this bitmap image format. The next one, GIF, graphic interchange format. It is the second most format in a web, maximum used for animation purpose. The latest version of JIFF contains a 13-bit color palette format. Earlier version used 8-bit color palette. Most browsers supports this type of animations and JIFF image formats. Here is an example, one animation. The next one, Joint Photographic Expert Group, JPEG. This file format, highly compressed file format. This follows loosey compression technique for reducing the file size. Maximum photographers are used this type of file format for editing the photos. Next one, TGA, Tagra file format. The first popular high resolution image format. This image follows raster image technique. Most video capture boards supports this file format. Video capture board means connecting video cameras and your computers. Image format is PNG, portable network graphics. In this format, losses are very less while compressing. This format is a replacement of JIFF image format and TIFF image format. This works good in web pages. The next one, sound file formats. First one, wave audio format. This is developed by Windows operating system. Maximum Windows operating system sounds are based on this type of file format. This format is uncompressed file format. The next sound format, MP3 sound format. This is a familiar sound format for all us. MPEG layer 3 format, most popular for storing and downloading the music. This size is 1/10 the size of the wave file format. Highly compressed file format, this one. The next sound format is OGG. It is an open source file format. This quality is equal to MP3. The name is taken from one of the tactics of online game. The next sound format is WMA, Windows Media Audio. So the name itself indicates the Windows operating system supports this type of file formats. This format is owned by Microsoft company. Next sound format is RA, Real Audio format. This format is developed for streaming audio over the internet like Ghana and other music websites. The next, video formats. First one, AVI, Audio Video Interleave format. This format developed for Windows operating system. This format contains sound and pictures. The next video format is MPEG, Moving Picture Expert Group. It is a standardized format, ISO standard, International Standard Organization. Here we have different versions for different purpose. MPEG 1 for MP3 and CD. MPEG 2 and 3 for digital TVs, HD set-top boxes and DVDs purpose. MPEG 4 for multimedia and web purpose. MPEG 7 for audio and video digital data. MPEG 21 for multimedia framework. That means we can develop multimedia products using this framework. Thank you. Like as the last video, I'll give you a notes through WhatsApp.